Hello, and welcome to my new channel, Dean's World of Cars Love. Dean here, and today I'll be unboxing and reviewing some new Pixar Cars diecasts that I've recently got. So, here I have, Alexander Hugo with party hat from Cars 2. And an iconic 2-pack of Pillar-DuRev and May Pillar-DuRev from Cars on the Road. I love the artwork on here. It's so nice. Alexander doesn't have his party hat on the artwork, though. Collect them all. Mary Ego Car, Nigel Gearsley, Miguel Camino, Max Schnell, and Lewis Hamilton. I have all of these on the back, except for, Mary Escocar. I don't have her. She's the one she's the waitress in the Italian casino in Cars 2, you know. Air freshener, antenna balls, spark plugs. And on the back of the 2-pack with K Pillar-DuRev and May Pillar-DuRev, there's the 2-pack of Jeremy and the other battle car from the Road Rumblers episode of Cars on the Road. I forget her name. And here's Cave McQueen and Dino forklift from the Dino Park episode of Cars on the Road. I forget the Dino forklift's name. Ah, nice. He comes with a tire accessory like a lot of the forklift diecasts do in the Cars line. And here is the front with some really nice artwork. K Pillar-DuRev has the same model as Sterling, but he seems to be a lot nicer in Showtime. And then there's May Pillar-DuRev. Anyway, yeah, let's get to unboxing these guys. First, we will unbox this really nice Alexander Hugo diecast. By the way, he's 48 in the Cars 2 series. And this is from 2012. So I'm going to unbox him out of this really nice packaging. So here he is, Alexander Hugo. So yeah, I have both Hugos in the Cars Diecast line now, Victor and Alexander. And now, I will unbox the May Pillar-DuRev and K Pillar-DuRev from this really nice cardboard packaging that is currently used for the Cars Diecast line from 2022, the year Cars on the Road came out. There's May, and there's K, or Sterling. I'm kidding. Alright, these guys are unboxed now. Okay, with all of these unboxed, let's get to reviewing them. First off, it is Alexander Hugo. He's a supporting character with actually quite a few lines in Cars 2. He's the bodyguard to Victor Hugo. They need to release more black lemons. The only ones diecasts of these they've released are this guy, Alexander, and Tolga Trunkov. Now, my favorite moment in the film with him is when Mater is disguised as Ivan and just reads out his name on the digital scanner thing. But this is the only variant released of him, which I really don't like. I wish they released a normal variant of him. This one has a party hat on it, and the scene where the lemons think they have a victory. Yeah, I'm thinking of doing a custom mod and removing this rubber party hat from this metal body and filling something in for the roof. And then, of course, he appears in London at the final battle, and then with Victor and Ivan and the other bodyguard, Hugo's, and he ends up getting arrested. His license plate reads PATRON 93. And then here's his legal information on the bottom. So yeah, that's Alexander Hugo. And now we'll move on to the Cars on the Road 2-pack. So in the 5th episode, Showtime, May Pillar-DuRev and K Pillar-DuRev were the owners and ringmasters of Circus Velocitus, which Ivy joins. I'm glad that I finally got my hands on them. May's legal information. And then, again, K here. He has the same modeling as Sterling, but I think he looks nicer with zebra stripes and stuff. His legal information. And then, let's see, K's license plate is B1218B. And then May's license plate reads T0230W. Anyway, that's my review for Alexander Hugo, K Pillar-DuRev, and May Pillar-DuRev. And I'll see you next time. Bye.